My name is Andrew and I do daily vlogs. And yesterday I was traveling, so I didn't know how to time. So sorry about that. So I will do 2 videos today instead of one. So I hope you'll be okay with that computation, compromise or something like that. Let's jump into this. This time is gonna be book review of one special book that's have a good place in my heart, if you say so. Oh. Elon Musk. This is on Swedish, but it have an English version, so I think it's okay. So Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and the quest on the fantastic future. That is okay. Ashley once he interviewed over 200 people for this book. That's amazing. That's hard work. That's a lot of people, and he put in a lot of effort to really write an exciting book to understand Elon Musk mental and the way he does. And this book we will see or read what is happening in the Tesla, SpaceX, Zip2, PayPal, yeah, all of these companies he created. Not Tesla. He was an investor. Then he was, yeah. But now he VD for this Tesla. Yeah. Let's continue. Let's moving on. Okay. I don't want to spoil because this is a great book. Okay. This was a few words I want to say from this book. I think it was, if the human race or kind succeed to solve energy problem, like solar energy or electrifying cars or like that, and succeed to travel out into space and colonizing Mars, he will be happy with that. So you can see or feel and know who Elon Musk is, how he is. He's a hard, respected, and a genius. And he is really, what can I say, to his employees, it's really hard to work for. But to his friends, families, he's really heartwarming and very nice guy. So, but if you get into fight with Elon Musk, it's not fun. I don't have any experience, but I think it's not fun from reading from this book. And he never gave up. He put all his money into what he believed in, and we will see, read what happened. For example, in 2008, Tesla was nearly to go away. They had almost no money, but what Elon Musk did, it was amazing. But I don't say anything more than that. So this is my best recommendation if you like creativity and business and Elon Musk. and cars and Tesla. Yeah, everything. Elon Musk is very special. Okay, this is my personality option. He is the world's most important man, human, person of all time. I'm sorry, but that's it. He tried to save human race, humankind from themselves actually. So yeah, make sure you buy this and read this, and if you do, Jimmy, comment below what you think about that book. And if you want to see more book reviews in future, just say it to me so I can do it. But this was just a test, if you say so. But yeah, this book is my favorite actually. That's it. Okay, now I'm gonna do the second video. So see you soon. Do you want a shot? We got it. Do you want a really nice shot? We got it. Please check it out and you will not be disappointed.